Hey filmmaker, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use and connect the MasterEye video transmission system. This is the receiver unit, and the transmitter unit should already be installed on your Weeble 2 gimbal. If you don't know how to do this, please check out one of the previous tutorials. The MasterEye is especially useful if you work in a crew. That way you can wirelessly control and view the live feed coming from your camera. Let me tell you more about it. Starting off with the right handle, you will find the zoom toggle switch and the power button. Now extend the antennas from the top of the unit. Now insert an external battery by pressing the safety release button on the back and then sliding the battery until it locks into place. Repeat this process in reverse to remove the battery. Also, don't forget that there is a 1/4 20-inch mount at the bottom so you can mount this on any tripod. On the left of the unit, you'll find the follow focus wheel, micro SD card slot, headphone jack, and USB-C charging port. And on the handle, you will find the aperture dial. Now turn on the MasterEye by holding down the power button. Then the Zhiyun logo will pop up, and now we'll be ready to connect to the gimbal. Hit the Wi-Fi icon on the top left corner and insert the password 123456778. Then hit the yellow button and you will start connecting to your gimbal. You should be receiving live signal very soon. Once connected, you should have full movement control over the gimbal by using the joystick. Now let's go over the different settings and options on the MasterEye. Starting with the top left corner is the Wi-Fi connectivity. Press this and this is how you will connect to your gimbal. Then the Wi-Fi signal status. This will show you how strong your current Wi-Fi signal is. To the right of that is the gimbal shooting mode, then stabilizer connection status, then the icon for the joystick or motion sensor control. Then we have the image transmission icon, gimbal battery level, MasterEye battery level, and then the MasterEye internal battery level. To the right of that, we have the main menu. On the left, we have the current SD card status, video record button, photo taking button, and the screen record album. The physical buttons on the bottom will control things like aperture, shutter speed, exposure value, ISO, and white balance. These buttons will only work if your camera is properly connected to the gimbal. Start getting used to the MasterEye controller by using the joystick to control the overall movement of your gimbal. To recenter the gimbal, press this icon. To clear the display, press the eraser icon. Now access the menu at the top right. Here you'll be able to change settings such as scene mode and language, but you can change more settings within the gimbal's LCD screen menu. Now engage the motion controller by pressing the F1 button. As you physically move the MasterEye, it will relay those movements to the Weeble 2. Hitting the F1 button again will stop the motion control. To enable screen capture, press the F2 button, and this will record the screen on your MasterEye controller directly to your micro SD card. If you are using headphones, you can adjust the volume by sliding your finger to the right of the screen up or down. As a quick guide, I strongly suggest using grids. You can set this within the menu. And to take full advantage of the 1000 nit screen, use the brightness level on the left and you can slide your finger up or down. Depending on how you have your zoom or follow focus motor set up, you can use the zoom rocker at the top right to enable the zoom, or you can control the follow focus by using the control wheel on the left. And that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on set.